Hello, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm Lovely, and I am so happy you are here today. We have a great session planned. Our goal today is to sound more natural when you speak English, to sound a little bit more like a native speaker. Many people think you need complicated words or perfect grammar to sound natural, but that is not true. We just need a few simple tricks that native speakers use every day. We will focus on listening, then practicing together. If you like these simple lessons, please take a moment right now to click like and subscribe. It really helps the show. Thank you. Ready? Let's start. The first and easiest way to sound natural is by connecting words together. We often take 2 or 3 words and turn them into one fast sound. For example, think about the phrase going to. If you say it slowly, I am going to buy milk. It is clear, but it is very slow. Native speakers almost always reduce going to gonna. Gonna. Say it with me. Gonna. Good job. So instead of I am going to buy milk, we say I'm gonna buy milk. Can you hear how much faster that sounds? Let's try another one. I will say the slow version and then the natural fast version. Listen carefully. Example 1. What are you going to do tonight? Fast. What are you gonna do tonight? Your turn. Try saying, I'm gonna call you later. Very good. I heard you. Let's try another very important reduction. Want to. We often change want to into wanna. Wanna. Listen. I want to leave now. Fast. I want to leave now. Practice with me. Repeat this sentence. Do you want to go home? Perfect. You are improving already. Remember, using gonna and wanna makes you sound less like a student and more like a fluent speaker. Good work. Now let's move to trick number 2, intonation and stress. Why is it sometimes hard to understand native speakers? It is because they do not say every word loudly and clearly. English has a rhythm. It has music. In every sentence, only some words are important. These are the words that carry the meaning. We call these content words. Think about nouns, verbs, and adjectives. We say these loudly. The small, simple words like a, an, the, to, am, are, we say these very quickly and quietly. We call these function words. They are just there to help the grammar. If you say every word clearly and loudly, like this, I am going to the park, it sounds robotic and slow. Instead, we focus on the important words. I am going to the park. Listen for the difference in sound. Slow, flat voice. I need a coffee. Natural voice. I need a coffee. Need and coffee are loud. A is quiet. Let's practice finding the stress. We will use a very simple sentence. Sentence. She has to finish work today. Which words are most important for the meaning? She has to finish work today. The meaning is finish work and today. Those are our loudest words. Listen to the natural stress. She has to finish work today. Try saying that sentence out loud now, focusing your energy only on finish, work, and today. One more. Sentence. We can talk later. The stress goes on talk and later. Listen. We can talk later. Now you try it. Wonderful. You are using the rhythm of English perfectly. Wrap up. Today, we learned 2 simple but powerful tricks to help you sound more natural. First, practice reducing words. Use gonna for going to and wanna for want to. This will help you speak faster and sound more fluent immediately. Second, listen to the music of English. Do not stress every word. Stress the important meaning words, nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Keep the small connecting words quiet. This takes practice, but it is so important for great speaking and great listening. Remember that every time you practice, you're making progress. You're smart, you're capable, and you're doing a great job learning English. I am truly proud of you. Keep practicing these tricks this week, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye for now.